The following is a recommended video. Recommended video channel showcases some of the best in windsurfing. Crazy, extreme, insane windsurfing. I've never seen anything like this. How do you get to the point where you can do something this well and still be alive? Join me as we watch world-class windsurfers do their stuff. This will be a multi-volume video. More will soon follow. Remember, we show these videos at 2x speed. Thanks for watching. You'll find a link below to the full version of this episode at the recommended channel.